Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna start off with the video of how I do my makeup. First step, we're gonna start off with my eyebrows. Mujer tan bella, yo como una botella, me dice. Guys, I'm back and I'm done with my eyebrows. So next step, I'm gonna use my concealer to outline my eyebrows to get a better shape. Okay, yeah, it looks a bit messy, but when I go with my beauty blender and I blend it in a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go in using my Let's Do Makeup palette, and we're gonna use Kangaroo and 915. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a little bit of Kangaroo and I'm gonna type in a little bit, and I'm gonna start putting them in the corner of my eyelid, and I'm gonna just dab and blend in a little bit. Okay, so far I have brown on the out of my lid, and I'm gonna blend it in, but I'm also going to start getting 915, and I'm gonna start adding a little bit towards the corner to get like a darker color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with 915 and I'm gonna start putting a little bit. So now I'm gonna start doing it in my inner corner. So I'm gonna go again with Kangaroo and just tap my eyeshadow in and blend it out a little bit. And once I'm done with the Kangaroo, I'm going with 915 as well, and I'm gonna just put some in my inner corner. So this is how it looks right now. Guys, I'm back and I'm going to put glitter now on my other eye. So this is the NYX glitter primer. So I'm gonna put a little bit in between my eyelids in the middle, straight in the middle, and I'm gonna just tap it. And I'm gonna wait for a little bit for it to dry. And I think I put a little too much, but it's okay. So now I might go in with a small brush or my finger, and I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter, as you can see. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and start doing my whole face, and I'll show you guys afterwards. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Pointless Pudding Primer, and I'm gonna just put a little bit all over my face. And okay, so now I'll be using the Milan foundation, which it comes 2-in-1, so it's supposedly concealer and also foundation. So I'm gonna put a drop in each of my face. And I'm gonna go in. So now I'm done blending in my foundation, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer and I'm gonna conceal my eyes. And then after that, I'm gonna start doing my contour. So now I'm going to bake my under eyes now that I just concealer them. So I'm gonna put some right here. And while I'm waiting for it to soak in a little bit, I'm gonna start putting my concealer. I mean my freaking bronzer. That's what I meant. My freaking bronzer. I don't know why I keep on saying concealer. So I'll put it on half of my cheekbone. And then I'm gonna go in. This is how I do my bronzer, I just tap it, and I do it with the other side too. And then afterwards, I go in with a Too Faced, my chocolate one. And so after I finish doing my my bronzer, I use a little bit of blush, but I don't use as much since I'm dark, but I try to give it like a pinkish color.
Not only delicious and fun to eat, they help you bring
And I just put a little bit on my nose as well, just a little bit.
Play more, play delicious.
And then after that, I wait for a few seconds. This is when I use my highlight pen, and I put some setting spray on it. And after this, I get my highlighter, which it is Pharmacy Formula Butter Highlight, and it's almost done, but I've been having it for a good minute. You guys don't need as much highlight, just with a little bit, like it shows what it does. Like, as you can see how bomb my highlight looks like. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take this away. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I like to use the Beauty For Real mascara. And I just put, okay, so these are some eyelashes I love to wear. As you guys can see, oops. Okay, so it didn't go good just showing you guys off. But these are the lashes I use. And I love how they look on me. So I'm going back with my Let's Do Makeup palette, and I'm gonna put a little bit under my eyes, a little bit more, just to get it that different look. And I'm done with that look. So then afterwards, I'm gonna for real put my eyelashes on, and I'll show you guys this last part with my eyelashes on, which it makes a big difference. So take a big look at this. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut my eyelashes just a little bit so it won't be poking me. And from there, I use the Kiss glue, and it works good, but I would always use the Dew Clear. Okay, so now I place my glue, as you guys could tell, so I'm gonna wait a few seconds, and I'm gonna place it on my eye, and I hope. Okay, so this is my final look. So now I'm gonna just put setting spray all over my face, and I'm gonna get ready with my hair.